Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Marsoui is a small beautiful village on the north shore of the Gaspésie Peninsula in Quebec. Nestled between the mountains and the St. Lawrence River, Marsoui is the perfect example of a peaceful and picturesque place. The name Marsoui comes from the Mi'kmaq word Malsoui, which means flint, a nod to the area's indigenous history. The Mi'kmaq people lived here long before the arrival of European settlers, and the land was important to them for hunting, fishing, and gathering resources. Marsoui sits right along the St. Lawrence River, which is not only a source of beauty but also a lifeline for the community. Fishing has been a way of life here for centuries. In the early days, cod and salmon fishing were key to the local economy, and you can still see the influence of this fishing heritage today. This little village is surrounded by nature at its finest. Marsoui is part of the Gaspésie Peninsula's rugged landscape, with rolling hills, dense forests, and winding rivers. Outdoor enthusiasts love coming here to hike, fish, and explore the nearby trails. One of the highlights of the area is the Marsoui River, which flows right through the village. It's known for its clear waters and excellent salmon fishing. If you're a fan of angling or just enjoy the peaceful sound of running water, this is the place to be. Marsoui may be small, but it's filled with natural beauty and a sense of history. Whether you're here to explore the outdoors, enjoy the views, or learn about the area's heritage, this village is sure to leave a lasting impression.
Thanks for watching!